Freeze turkeys.
So you ever lost your touch, BD?
Oh, Larry?
No pie in the windowsill trick. Can't believe I fell for that. Same trap you used at Nam to save my ass.
Black
Took my
Powder
fatigues
is
and
now
got my two
martial
big
arts master and the hero of the
circle back and turn the tables.
His younger brother
guess you
Jimmy
forgot
was
about the
recently
time you
killed by a
were
drug
robbed
trafficking
that gas
gang, and at the same time, a powerful senator canceled the anti-drug program,
Oh, the dead China
research in drug trafficking in the
I
neighborhood.
remember the faces.
Both publicly and privately,
What's going on today?
Black Powder must
Swag.
destroy the drug
Every
trafficking gang.
proportion. Corruption is running rampant.
His former CIA comrades who
don't know
served
who to trust
him in the Vietnam War warned him not to
Now more
act
than ever.
rashly.
I know I was in the CIA.
How could this stop Black Powder, this charismatic man with
But I thought I told you, Hunk, it's from the CIA that Black Dot-
extraordinary skills assembles a team including both
I know
Gordon
you want
Green
to
Court and a group of revolutionary
something
fighters.